So, hello once again. I'm back on my not so old Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition running MX Linux 25.1, also known as Infinity. Before we continue, let me just check. Most probably it works fine that I'm recording locally and streaming on the YouTube service. Okay, yeah. As I was saying, stream is up. Everything goes as planned. Recording locally the same. Let me show you on the terminal the information of the system once again. Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition, or AMD version if you prefer, few years back, running MX Linux 25.1, also known as Infinity. It's the sysvinit version. I'm using XFCE on X11 and I'm using the discrete graphics, which I still didn't have the time because I'm still sick, still recovering. I didn't have time to change my OBS settings, but at least I know for sure that right now all the usual suspects like Kick, Twitch and YouTube, all the streaming platforms, all these three streaming platforms work just fine with my setup, with my installation. And as I said yesterday, that I would make my flatpak apps and all the apps use the same theme, same icons and so on. I did that, and I think that was the only thing that I managed to do, because not so much computing yesterday and today. So yeah, let me show you. I also installed Flatseal. With this one you can see the flatpak apps that I have in the system. Smile I did yesterday. I think it was live on stream if I remember correctly. Yeah, as you can see, it works just fine. I mean, using the theme of the system just fine, that's what I mean. We knew that it works just fine from the other stream or the video that I have on my YouTube channel. But anyway, and also let's check, for example, another flatpak app. I'm so exhausted, so tired from this sickness, from this nasty cold. Let me open up. Oh, I can do the terminal as well. So yeah, why not do the terminal? Yeah, for example, I could show you Joplin or Yoplin, however you prefer to call it. As you can see, all these apps are using my theme, my preferred theme on the system. Local Send is another one. Boom. So yeah, this went very well. Of course, when I will have the time and I'll be done with most of what I would like to have accomplished with MX Linux, and before I will move to another system, another Linux distribution, I will give you all the steps necessary to accomplish the same thing on an MX Linux XFCE installation. What else? I think this is it basically. I don't want to drag this video any longer. System seems nice, stable, whatever I tried with it works just fine, no problem. This system is quite, for this kind of Linux distribution, this system is more like way more than enough. Plenty of RAM, plenty of a good GPU, plenty of a good CPU. All around very good resources for this Linux distribution. And few things are just the same. Still using for email Vivaldi, still using Vivaldi as my main browser. More or less, Why not? Before I leave, let me show you. Do I have another terminal open? No, I don't. Okay, my bad. Let's just do a system update if it's necessary, of course. Unlike Endeavour OS that you need to do sudo pacman etc, or Void Linux that you need to do xbps install etc. Here you just do sudo apt update and you can update your system, no problem whatsoever. And same thing for the flatpak. This is the same across all the systems, all these three Linux distributions for sure, and I'm sure you will find the same thing to be true almost in all of distributions. Anyway, and of course this system, MX Linux, it has its own updater. If you prefer to use a GUI app, you can use MX Updater. Now, since I don't have any updates for the system, it didn't pop up anything on the screen. But when you do have updates, it comes on the screen and warns you and says to you that you have X and X updates, if you want to perform the updates or not. Anyway, this was it for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, watching my videos on my YouTube channel. And thanks for everything. See you on the next one. Bye.
Thank you.